Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a thermistor within the simulide simulator. So how we can use it? First of all, we must know that what a thermistor is. Actually, thermistor is a thermal resistor. Its resistance used to decrease when we have an increase in the temperature. So now how we can use it? We will go and we will write thermistor in the search box and we got our thermistor here. We can click on it and drag it out to our main circuit window. Here it looks very small, so we need to click on zoom to fit. And now we got our thermal resistor or thermistor here. With the help of this dial, we can increase the temperature that is actually linking to the thermistor. Okay, now this is thermistor, and how we can observe its output? We need an LED. A yellow color LED or any color LED is okay. We will drag it out. We will drag one LED. On every component drag, we need to click on zoom to fit so that we can see it properly. Now this is the anode side of the LED and we need to connect it with the thermal resistor, and the cathode side must be connected with the ground. So this is ground, click on it and drag it out like this. So like this. Okay, wait, let me see. Okay, wait. We will go from ground to what's the problem? Maybe. Okay, wait, let me see. What's the problem? Okay, so okay, now this thing. Okay, now we have connected our ground with that of cathode side of the LED. Now this is our setup. Again, zoom to fit, and now we need to take one fixed voltage supply, because we just need one voltage, not the variable one. So this is our fixed voltage supply and connect it like this. Zoom to fit and run it out. So now you can see that in the start, when the temperature is too much low, you can see that the dial is on 0 position. So we can see that we are not having any sort of a light in the LED. Means that LED is not glowing because this resistor resistance is very high. Okay, so that all the voltage used to drop inside this resistor, and also there isn't any sort of current flowing through it because of its huge resistance. So what we need to do is we need to increase the temperature, and this increase in temperature will actually decrease the resistance of the thermistor. And now you can see that we have decreased it out, and now we got a little bit glow in the LED. Okay, some more increase in the temperature and decrease in resistance. Now you can see that now our LED is on. It means that our thermistor is responding to the increase or decrease in temperature. Okay, you can see like this and this. So in this way we can make certain useful devices like on and off timer for our iron, or for any, it can be used in every sort of industrial project. This thermistor and also some thermal sensors. So in this way we can simulate it out. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.